popping, y'all? Jenny69 here. I'm just kidding, you know, but I had to copy her little look real quick. I'm back with a new video, and I decided to copy a little. I'm copying today, you know. I'm doing what the beauty community be doing, and I decided to take a little idea from Jackie Aina. She did a video where she was trying new products and reviewing and stuff, and I thought it was perfect for me to do because I don't be having ideas like that. So yeah, I tried a whole bunch of new products. Before this video begins, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, what I did, what I didn't do, keep on watching. We are going to start with the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. And they sent this to me a couple weeks ago. But again, I don't try new products, so I was like, you know what? But I was like, this would be perfect. I don't know what shade I'm in. This looks a little orangey, but it's the shade Walnut. And I'm gonna use the brush that they gave me. I don't prime my face. I didn't bother wanting to try a primer because I don't like primer. And I already did my brows because y'all gonna drag it anyway, so I was like, let me just do this off camera. Dun dun. Oh. What the fuck? What's going on? Alrighty, y'all, let's try this again. Okay. This shade, Golden Almond, is a lot better. And I'm actually happy that they sent a foundation brush because I love foundation brushes. I don't feel like taking off my hat right now because my hairline is a little fucked up. But I'm just gonna try to blend it, and if y'all see it, then y'all see it. Alrighty, cute. I think I could work with this. It's definitely a little bit more on the dewy side, and I already have dewy skin, but it's an okay shade. I think once I put concealer on and bronze and everything, it'll be a little bit better. The next product that I'm going to use that I've never used is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I know that for some of you guys are probably like, what? You have not used this concealer? I haven't. In all honesty, I kind of just get things that are sent to me and I use them because I'm so cheap. But Cameron is the investor in the house. So he honestly bought this, and I was like, you know what, let me steal this little Fenty concealer. I've heard good things about it, but we'll see, because me and Cameron are different skin tones. Y'all be acting like we twin brothers, but we definitely have different skin tones. But I always say you can make anything work as long as it's in like the same family as you. It's like the same kind of like color family. Okay guys, immediately I really like this concealer already off the bat. Super easy to blend. I think it's a good shade for me. It's cute. Honestly, I've kind of laid low from Fenty products lately again because in all honesty, I'm a PR person. I'm one of those people. If I will recommend things that I get in the mail that I really like because I already get so many things, and honestly I'm so blessed to be able to say that, but I feel like I should definitely start like exploring because I feel like Fenty is such a hot product, especially like if you have a deeper skin tone. But this concealer is super easy to blend off the bat. Alrighty y'all, I think I'm in a good place with the concealer. I really like this concealer. I might have to steal this from Cameron, to be honest, because this is really good. Super easy to blend. I think personally I like concealers that are a little bit lighter because I like a really bright under eye, but I like how this looks. I'm gonna go in with the next product that I've never used, and this is kind of like a classic. I've seen makeup artists use this for a long time. Like I feel like this is one of the OG products, but it's the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm actually gonna use this to set the under eye and kind of bake. I am a little scared to use this because this is a little bit more on the intense side. So I'm just curious to see how this is. I think this is brand new, it's never been used. It sure hasn't. So I don't know how it's gonna react baking wise, but that's what the point of the video is. So I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna use a little bit just because it's such a white powder. Yeah, off the bat, I feel like this is definitely not a baking powder, but just because it's just kind of dissolving and I don't want it to dissolve because I want whatever fallout that occurs fall on the powders. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Hopefully it's not like too white. Alrighty, wish me luck because this already feels a little bit on the drier side, but I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty concealer and use it as like an eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna take my Sigma Concealer F7 brush. I already told y'all this is one of the best concealer brushes ever. Use code VicandRam. Apparently the people did confirm that I have a code with Sigma, so use code VicandRam if you're interested in any Sigma product. Now I'm gonna take some of that RCMA, just a little bit, and set it. Now one thing I learned from Mitchell, actually, he's literally like kind of like my inspo when it comes to eyes is not to set it too much, because you still want the concealer to be slightly tacky, and I feel like that's honestly like such a smart thing that you don't even realize. You do want the concealer to be a little sticky because you want your eyeshadow to stick. Powder out. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use is the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and in all honesty I feel like this is the perfect palette to use because it's festival season. And also, you guys know I've been crazy about color, and this palette has so much color in it. I'm not sure what kind of eye I'm gonna do, so pretty much I just kind of go with the flow. But what I'm kind of gravitating towards right now is, so I'm going in with sequin, and I'm using this Morphe brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, but I like to go in with a packer brush and just pack my eyeshadow immediately. Okay, I really like how this is coming out already. This shadow has great pigment. It's real cute. You could do it. It doesn't matter. Y'all, this shadow, I wasn't expecting this. In all honesty, I am always very skeptical of trying new color eyeshadows because I've been using the James palette. It's been my go-to. But this shadow, this pink is nice. And guys, I'm about to take Pop, which is kind of a more purple shade, and just kind of bring it up. I didn't realize this was more of a shimmer shade, but I'm not mad at it. So guys, I don't know where it stopped recording. Honestly, my SD card is a little, it'll be acting up. What we're gonna do is just cut the eye. I said I wasn't gonna do anything with cut creases or anything, but I feel like it'll just make the look more interesting. So I'm gonna cut it with that Fenty concealer really quickly, and hopefully this don't stop recording because they playing in my face. Alrighty y'all, I decided to do the rest of my eye off camera just because eyes take way too long, and this is not a tutorial. So honestly, I really like the palette. I don't know if I'm crazy about this eye look, but I like the shadows individually together. You know, I honestly like something a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more like in your face, but I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna finish this eye using it's Copycat Beauty, but the little thing, the name of it is gone. It's like this little purple liquid shimmer, and I'm gonna use it in my inner corner. The packaging is cheap, but that was cute. So now I'm gonna use the new Fenty Beauty bronzer in shade Coco Nadi. And I'm actually super excited to try this because I'm obsessed with bronzer. And I've heard a lot of things about this. I feel like this is like kind of like the product of the moment. I'm gonna use the Morphe E4 brush to bronze with. I kind of gave up on using like standalone contours. I just bronze now because I feel like it just gets the job done. Plus, I like to look really brown and really, really like golden. I really like this. Really, really nice. Super easy to blend. This bronzer is cute. I really, really like. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit more, but this is like blending, like as soon as I put it on, it's blending in. Really, really like this. And then I'm just gonna go in with that same bronzer, but it's on my nose, but this is like the most amazing brush for nose contouring. Is the E45 Sigma brush, code Bacon Ring. Alrighty y'all, so the bronzer is a definite yes for me. The next step for me is highlighting. So I'm gonna use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze. I'm going to be using the Morphe brush in M501, and honestly this brush is lit. Loose powders kind of scare me sometimes, but I actually like this one. Alrighty y'all, so I'm going to go in now with these two lip products. I'm gonna go in with the Color Pop. It's actually the Bretman Color Pop Lippie Pencil in, I don't know what shade this is, but it's the dark brown one. Alrighty, this looks really cute. I like this lip liner, and now I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors Can You Not? The Can You Not lip gloss. So I'm going to put on lashes and just kind of finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Alrighty y'all, I just put these lashes on. They're the Baddie B lashes in style Insta-Ho, because you know I'm the biggest Insta-Ho of them all. And these are bomb, in all honesty, really, really good. I also did use the Smashbox Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray, which actually has a really nice look, you see? This sprays nicely. I'm honestly really picky with how setting sprays spray, but this one sprays really nicely. But yeah, guys, I think this was really cute. I can definitely tell a difference in my face. I could tell that there's kind of like a different like finish to it, but I think I honestly really like it. I don't think there's anything that I hated. I think my favorite product that I used though out of everything was probably the Fenty concealer and the Fenty bronzer. Yeah, everything else was really good. I think the lashes, of course, I love these lashes, but everything else was really good. The foundation was, the first one was scary. The shade Walnut was scary. It was orange. It was doing a lot. It was doing the most. But once I put in Golden Almond, which honestly, I look more like a golden almond. Like if you was to describe it like a golden almond, I don't look like a walnut. Like what does that look like? I like the finish of that. I do think one thing that I did notice was that it stayed a little bit wet for a long time while I was doing like my eye makeup and I would touch my face. It did stay a little bit wet. I really like the Bretman ColourPop lip pencil. The Dose of Colors Lippie, I liked it. It might be slightly too light for me. I think it definitely looks amazing right now, but I feel like I definitely had to work it into the lip pencil, and I kind of like things that are a little bit richer and more brown, but I think this is a really beautiful nude, a really beautiful combination. And the eyeshadow palette, the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I really like the shadows individually. I don't necessarily love this look all together, but I look a little lit. I look lit. I definitely liked it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Go show me some love on Instagram. Go follow me. Literally, tell me what you guys want to see because I want to record videos that you guys enjoy. I feel like a broken record right now, but I really have enjoyed recording videos for you guys, and I appreciate you guys' support because I'm a total mess. So if you guys support me, I love you, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.